Ruby, thank you. Whether traveling hundreds or thousands of miles away, Americans seeking an abortion out of state could be paying a pretty penny, along with expenses like flights, gas, hotels. Costs can add up quickly, and some people are looking at thousands of dollars to be serviced. Wake Up Charlotte's Tradisha Woodard joins us live now this morning. Tradisha, you spoke with Planned Parenthood. What did they have to say?
Well, Sarah, right now they say they invested in patient navigation services months ahead, all in hopes of connecting people with the right providers for as less money as possible.
We are seeing an increase of patients coming from out of state.
Millions of people have lost access to abortions in their own states, and Planned Parenthood says they're already getting an influx of calls with people booking appointments from miles away.
About 1/3 of our patients that we saw in North Carolina were folks who came in from out of state. You know, these communities are made up of folks who face the greatest barriers to accessing health care as it is.
They say 75% of people seeking abortions are from low-income areas, which makes the cost of traveling out of state for services an even bigger financial barrier for people living check to check. Data shows 60% of people who get abortions are already parent. So when you factor in things like childcare, flights, hotels, food, along with the cost of an abortion, the numbers add up quickly.
The travel costs, the figuring out where the closest provider is to them, getting to their appointment. We have invested in patient navigation services. Planned Parenthood really wants folks to understand right now is there is help available to help cover some of these increased expenses.
Now, Planned Parenthood says along with contributing to costs, they're also working to expand their hours. They're ramping up on staffing. Now, they say this is a group effort, so they're also working with other healthcare system providers as well as abortion providers to meet the need for as many people as they possibly can. Reporting live near Uptown, Tradisha Woodard, Wake Up Charlotte.